How to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete Instagram search suggestions while typing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Insta. After you open up your Insta, whenever you go to your search bar and then type for something, it will just give you search suggestions like this. Now, if you don't want this and you want to just, not have any search suggestions, what you'll need to do is you'll need to clear your activity. For that, you'll need to head over to your recent searches and clear all of your recent searches. Doing this will clear up your recent searches. You can do that from here as well. And doing that will just, clear off your recent searches, and that will mean that you are no longer interested in that very people. Now, Instagram search suggestions work as your interest, it works as your followers, following list, and your activity. So your mutuals, your people that you search, the people that are popular, are trendy right now, they are the ones that is gonna pop up when you search for it here. So what you'll need to do is you'll simply need to search for different people and make sure that your search suggestions is, or your search suggestions that you see, or your search history is cleared and does not contain any people that you don't want. And that is how you can delete or remove Instagram search suggestions when typing. And that is how you do it, guys. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.